How to log into your Polar Flow account on a new device. Here, the very first thing you want to do is simply download and open the Polar Flow application on your new device, or on your new device. If you do not want to, install the application, you can actually visit the flow.polar.com. From here, you can simply tap on the menu bar on the top left. Here you will be able to get sign in button. Tap on that sign in button just like this, then you'll be able to get into the sign in page. So here, if you are using your application, then you will actually be able to get that sign in page on the very beginning of the application. So you can simply tap on that sign in button and get into the sign in page, where you can again tap on sign in one more time. Here you'll be able to get into the sign in page, where you can add in all of the credentials of your account, like your email address and the password of your Polar account. Once you write in the email address and the password, all you need to do is tap on sign in and also turn on Bluetooth on your new phone and put your Polar device into pairing mode to sync the historical data and complete device registration on new phone. And just like that, you will successfully be able to log into your Polar Flow account on a new device. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or else that will be it for this video.